it's Mamie and welcome to my video. I'm going to do slime video. So the first slime is this. It's unicorn poop slime. And let's see how it turns out. Oh, this feels so weird. This feels so weird. I love slime, but this slime feels so weird. Oh, look at this. Look at this. It's so gross. Okay, we're definitely moving on to the next one. That is grim, that one. Okay, 1 minute. I need to go and wash my hands. Oh no, jeez. 1 sec, I'll be back. I'm back. Just have to go and wash my hands. My hands stink. Next one. Wow. This blue putty. Let's see how this one is. This is so... It's got a flamingo in. From my other slime. Oh, I remember that video. Go and watch that video down below. Oh, and give this video a big thumbs up and smash that like button and click the bell button. And look at this one. This is so literally cool. That part is leaked. Whoa. Okay, should we go on to the next one now? Comment down below if you want me to do more videos. If you get enough subscribers. Subscribe. If you get lots of subscribers, then I'll do more videos. But right now, this is my first ever one, so I don't really know what to say. So this is my first one, and I've watched YouTube, but I don't know how to say subscribe. I just said it. If we get enough subscribers, then I'll do more videos. Oh, this sunset. This one's cool. This one's cool. So hard to open. Open it. Whoa. This is awesome. I absolutely love this. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Comment down below which one you think's better, red or blue. And give this click the bell button and subscribe what your favourite colour is. Oh jeez. I know I've shown you this, but it's come undone. Why is putty so stupid? Guys, these little kids do it. Hey! What about this one? Can't touch that. And the next one, oh, this one's cool. Did you hear that noise? It was so weird. Oh, this is so much work. I'm going to try and okay. This is it. We try and make a bubble. Try and make a bubble. I'm sorry if I don't do it, guys. Made one! Guys, can you see it? It's not that big. Here. Here. This one was definitely a win. So guys, that's all my video today. Pretty much that's all my video. Bye! This is my whole video. My video. Remember, I just have to check. You know, I'm goodbye. What my salmon be like. And let's go. We'll go meet my mum. My video ain't done yet, Mummy. I'm living in my house tour. Okay, so let's go and see what my house is like. I only just came home from gymnastics. So you're lucky I'm not going to gymnastics. So, this is my bathroom. This is the toilet. Has a toilet seat, but it's wobbly. Can you check? This is my sister's. I'm not allowed to go in here. Ah, can you see? Look. Look. Oh. Look. This is lip balms. Look. Can you see those lip balms? Did you see them? Comment down below if you saw them. Oh, and of course, only you guys are allowed to see what's in my diary. Oh, and a fan. Can you see what these are things too? Oh. And these. Oh, and that's one of them too. Let's go and see what else. Let's go and see what else. Oh, and this is mine and my mum's room. And this is my other sister's. I've got two sisters. Let's go downstairs. Bloop, bloop. Crazy. What should we do now? Should we... Look. What should we... I don't know what to do for my video. Mummy, can you... I'm doing my video. Bye! Can you put it on YouTube?